Okay. If lambda x square minus 10xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 6y, sorry, minus 16y minus 3 is equal to 0 is a pair of lines find k and also point of intersection and angle between them. Okay, solution. Compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Write the line equation. Lambda x square minus 10xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 16y minus 3 is equal to 0. So, a is equal to lambda, b is equal to 12, c is equal to minus 3. Right? And h, 2h is equal to minus 10. Next, x coefficient 2g is equal to 5, 2f is equal to minus 16. From this h is minus 5 and g is equal to 5 by 2 and f is equal to minus 8. So, what is the condition? We know delta is equal to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Now, we have to use completely equal to 0. So, write the A value. Lambda 12 minus 3, 2 into F value. What is the F value? Minus 8. Then G value 5 by 2, H value minus 5 minus AF square, lambda into F value minus 8 square minus BG, B value 12 into, what is G value? 5 by 2 whole square minus CH square, minus of minus plus H value minus 5 whole square is equal to 0. I have substituted values, so this becomes minus 36 lambda, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 25, 200. Okay, next, minus 64 lambda. Next, here, first you have to square, then cancellations are, you have to be careful here, 25 by 4 plus 5 square is 25 means plus 75 is equal to 0. So, 100 minus 100 lambda plus 200. This will get cancelled 3 times, minus 75 plus 75. 75, 75 will get cancelled. Lambda is equal to 2. So, we got lambda value. Now, first you have to find the point of intersection. Okay, first I will find out angle, sir. Angle, cos theta formula. A plus B modulus by root of A minus B whole square plus 4H square. Right? A means what, sir? Lambda. But what is the lambda value we got? 2. B value 12. Modulus by A minus B. A is lambda, lambda is 2. 2 minus 10. Sorry, 2 minus 12 whole square plus 4 into H value. What is H value? Minus 5 whole square. So, this will become 14 by 100 because 2 minus 12 is 10, 10 square is 100, 5 square is 25 plus 100. So, what is that we get? Cos theta is equal to 14 by root 200. This can be written 10 into root 2. Why, sir? 200 can be written as 100 into 2, square root of 100 is 10, root 2 will come. So cancellation with two tables, 7 by 5 root 2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 7 by 5 root 2. Next, we have to find point of intersection. I am doing here. Point is what? HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. AHF, what is H value? Minus 5 into F value, what is F value? Minus 8 minus BG, B value 12 into what is G value? 5 by 2 by AB. A is what? Lambda. Lambda is 2. And what is the B value? 12 minus H square. H value? Minus 5 whole square. Comma, I am writing here. GH. What is G value? 5 by 2 into H value. H value minus 5 minus AF. A is lambda. Lambda is nothing but 2 into F. What is F value? Minus 8 by 2 into 12 minus 5 whole square. Close the bracket. Now here 40, this will be 30 because 2 6 are here 24 minus 25 comma here minus 25 by 2 minus of minus plus by 24 minus 25. Okay, so 8 into 2 is 16 but minus sign is there, so it is 10 by minus 1. Here 32 minus 25 7 by minus 2. I am writing directly because 32 minus 25 is 7 and 2 will come into denominator. 24 minus 25 is minus 1, so it becomes minus 2. So here find the lambda value and point of intersection. Okay, please note on this. If x square plus xy x square plus xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y plus k is equal to 0 is a pair of straight lines, find the k value and all. Again compare x square plus xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y plus k is equal to 0. Right. Now a value 1, b value minus 2, c value k. Next 2h, 2h is 1, 2g, g value 2gx here 4 and 2f, f value 2f here y is minus 1. So from this h is 1 by 2, g is 2, then f is minus 1 by 2. Put in a box, sir, then you can easily identify. Condition is what, sir? Delta abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. What is a value? 1 into minus 2 into k plus 2 into what is f value? Minus 1 by 2. What is g value? 2 and h value? 1 by 2 minus af square. What is a value? 1 into what is f value? Minus 1 by 2 square minus bg. B is minus 2, so minus of minus become plus. G value 2 square minus ch square. C is k and h value is what, sir? 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 0. So what will happen? It becomes minus 2k, 2 will get cancelled and 2 will get cancelled. These 2 will get cancelled, these 2 will get cancelled. So minus 1. Okay, right. Next, it is 1 by 4 because 1 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1. Here 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. Next one, k by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 by 2 whole square. LCM is 4. So what will happen? Minus 8k minus 4 minus 1 plus 32 minus k is equal to 0. So what will happen? Minus 9k plus 27 is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 27 is equal to minus 9, k is equal to 3. So we got k value. Now what we have to find out? Point of intersection, everything we have to find out. Please copy up here. So what is the point of intersection? H of minus bg by yes. Okay. So you have to put h value. What is h value? 1 by 2 into f value. What is f value? Minus 1 by 2 comma b value minus 2 into g value 2 by ab minus h square. Ab means what, sir? Minus h square. H value 1 by 2 whole square. Substitution of the values comma gh. What is g value? 2 into h. What is h value? 1 by 2 minus af. A value 1 into f value. What is f value? Minus 1 by 2 by 1 into minus 2, right? So this will be 1 by 4 with minus sign plus 4 by minus 2 minus 1 by 4 comma 2 will get cancelled, 1 plus 1 by 2 by minus 2 minus 1 by 4. So here 16 minus 1 15, directly I am writing by minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 by 4 comma here 2 plus 1 3 by 2, here minus 9 by 4, right? So 4 will get cancelled, minus 15 by 9 comma here 2 will get cancelled 2 times, that will go to numerator 6 by 9. Again I am explaining. 4 will get cancelled 15 by 9, but here 2 will get cancelled 2 times, that will go to numerator 2 into 3 6. So what will happen? Cancel with the 3 table, minus 5 by 3 comma minus 2 by 3, right? Next angle. What is the cos theta? A plus b modulus by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. A value is what, sir? 1 minus 2 modulus by root of a minus b, 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2 plus 4 into h square. H square is 1 by 2 whole square. So this becomes cos theta is equal to minus 1 modulus is there plus 1 modulus in the కాబట్టి minus will become plus 1 plus 2 is 3 square is 9 plus 4 into 1 by 4 under root. So 1 by 4 will get cancelled, 9 plus 1 root 10. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 10. Right? Please note down this. Next, if 2x square plus kxy minus 6y square plus 3x plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0, find the value of k and all that. Okay, and the 3 problems ఉన్నాయి sir, all the 3 problems are important. That's why I am solving it. I am not giving class work, homework in the yet lesson. Minus 6y square plus 3x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 6, c is 1 and 2h is equal to k, 2g is equal to 3, 2f is equal to 1. So h is equal to k by 2 and g is equal to 3 by 2 and f is equal to 1 by 2, right? So we got, again, what is the delta condition? Observe here this problem. ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. So what is the ABC? 2 into minus 6 into 1 plus 2 into F is 1 by 2, G is 3 by 2 into K by 2 minus AF square 2 into F value 1 by 2 whole square minus bg square, b value is what, sir? Minus of minus plus g square, g is what sir? 3 by 2 whole square minus ch square, c is what? 1 into h value, what is h value? k by 2 whole square is equal to 0. So this becomes what sir? 2 will get cancelled, this is minus 5 and 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 3k by 4 plus 3k by 4, right? Next minus 2 into 1 by 4, next one plus 6 into 9 by 4 minus k square by 4. Okay, observe here, multiply by 4, LCM is 4. What is LCM? 4. So this becomes minus 48, this will get cancelled 2 times, plus 3k, 2 will get cancelled 2 times, so minus 2 and 54 and minus k square. How this 54 has come? 4 will get cancelled with 4, 9 6 there. So what will happen? Minus k square plus 3k minus 48 minus means minus 4 is equal to 0. Remove the minus sign. K square minus 3k plus 4. 4 ones are 4. Minus 4 plus 3k minus k square. So what will happen? K square minus 3k plus 4. Let us see. Is there any mistake? Okay, we will say again. For the a value 2, b value minus 6, c value 1. And what is a 2h is equal to k and 2g is equal to 3 and 2f is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. ABC. So this becomes what sir? ABC means 2FGH. Okay. FGH. All of them are positive only. Yes, everything is positive. So what will happen? 2 into minus 6 into 1. So minus 12. This will get cancelled 3k minus 2 into 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 2. Then bg square minus bg square. Minus of minus will become plus 6 into 3 by 2 whole square. And ch square 1 into k by 2 whole square. So what will happen? Minus 48 plus 3k minus 1 by 2 means minus 2 plus 54 minus k square. So this becomes what sir? Minus 50 plus 4. Here plus 4 will come. Because minus 50 plus 54 plus 4 will come. So remove the minus sign, minus 4 will come. This is very, very important. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. So factorization. K square minus 4k plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. K common. K minus 4, 1 common. K minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k minus 4 into k plus 1 is equal to 0. So k is equal to 4 or k is equal to minus 1. So now we got 2 values for k. So we have to find for each value. Please note down up to here. Now first I am considering k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. What is the point of intersection? HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Right? Now P. HF. What is H value? K by 2. So already K value how much we got? 4. So 4 by 2 into F. What is F value? 1 by 2. Minus BG. B value minus 6. So plus 6 into G value. G value is 3 by 2. So here H value we have to replace with K sir. That is very, very important. By AB minus H square. A is what sir? 2 into minus 6 minus H square. H value is what sir? K by 2. 4 by 2 whole square, comma GH. G value is what sir? 3 by 2 into H is K by 2 means 4 by 2 minus AF. What is A value? 2 into F value. What is F value? 1 by 2 by AB minus H square. Again same thing. So this becomes 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 1 minus 1 plus 9. Okay, 2 will go 3 times by minus 12. This will be 4. Why sir? 4 by 2 whole square is 4. Then here this becomes 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 3 minus, because 2 and 2 will get cancelled with 4, minus 1 by minus 12 minus 4. So which is 10 by minus 16, 2 by minus 16. So that is 5 by minus 8, 1 by minus 8, or minus 5 by 8, minus 1 by 8. Right, next cos theta. A plus b modulus by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. A is what sir? 2 minus 6 modulus by a minus b. 2 minus how minus is plus 4 into h value. What is h value? K by 2. That is 4 by 2 is 2 whole square. I am writing directly. So this is 4 by 64 plus 4, 2 square is 4, 4 into 4, 16. So it is 4 by root 18. Cos theta is equal to 4 by 16 into 5 under root. So 4 by 4 root 5, which is 1 by root 5. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 5. Right? Copy up here. Next, k is equal to minus 1. Again, hf minus bg ab minus h square what is the formula? hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. Right? Now, what is h value? K by 2. But what is the k value now? Minus 1 by 2. Now it will change. F value. What is f value? 1 by 2. Minus bg. B value minus 6. So minus of minus is 6 into g value. What is g value? 3 by 2. By ab. A is what sir? 2 into minus 6 minus h square. What is now h? Minus 1 by 2. Because k by 2 is there? Minus 1 by 2 whole square. So it will change sir now. Next gh. What is g value? 3 by 2 into h is minus 1 by 2 minus af. What is a value? 2 into f value. What is f value? 1 by 2 by ab. Same thing will come. What is the same thing? 2 into minus 6 minus of minus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, so what will happen? 1 by 4 with minus sign. This will get cancelled 2 times, 9. 3 times. So this will come minus 12 minus 1 by 4 because 1 by 2 whole square. Here minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by this will be minus 12 minus 1 by 4. So LCM 4 9s are 36, 35 by 4. Here 48 minus 1 47 by 4. Okay, LCMs are 9 4s are 36, 36 minus 1 35. 48 minus 1 is 47. Here also 4 minus 7 by 4 by minus here minus 12 sir. So here minus 49, here minus 49 by 4, right? 4 will get cancelled. Minus 35 by 49, here minus 7 by minus 49. So 7 table, 5 by 7, here 1 by 7 because minus minus will get cancelled. Now cos theta. What is the cos theta? A plus b modulus by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Right? A plus b. What is a value? 2 minus 6 modulus by a minus b. So 2 plus 6 whole square plus 4 into h value is what sir? K by 2. K is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this becomes minus 4 modulus by 8 means 64 plus 4 into 1 by 4 under root. So this becomes 4 by root 65 because 4 will get cancelled. So cos theta is equal to what? 4 by root 65. Right? So these are the problems in the first part of the pair of straight lines. Means you have to identify point of intersection, angle between the lines, finding that, showing that it is a pair of straight lines and finding the k value. Next part will be homogeneizing the curve, that is again. So from there one question will come, from here one more question will come, because your portion has been reduced. Only these two parts will be there for final examination. Okay, we will see that tomorrow.